Hey guys, how you going? Welcome to today's episode in the Kosciuszko National Park where we just wander around.
Yeah, we're checking out the sugar pine forest here. It's a few hours outside of Kosci. It's going to be pretty cool. Never really seen too many pine trees back where we're from. It's definitely got an interesting feel out here today as well with the mist settling and a bit of rainfall.
Has a bit of like a very horror film kind of vibe to it. And on top of that, we're going to go visit thermal pools. We're going to get in our boardies in this cold weather for you guys and have a bit of a dip.
I'm not looking forward to it,
It's going to be
honest.
cold. Enjoy. I know today we said we're going to the sugar pine forest and some thermal pools, but we were just driving through this lovely, we were driving through, get my hair out of the face. God. Yeah, so we've been driving through this lovely country area and there's just the serenity, this is so peaceful. Like we're coastal boys, but this is just...
The farmland out here is amazing, just roving hills, and it's truly incredible just to be out amongst this sort of place. Very picturesque.
Yeah, we're getting some pretty good photos out here. Like you can just see like how nice the colors are in just this video alone with the clouds behind us and the greens and the grass and the misty clouds going over mountains. It's just, oh,
Beautiful.
I love this place. Creepy, yeah?
Ooh, yeah, very creepy.
The rain's coming down now, we don't want that. Hopefully the trees will...
Nice and muddy.
Yeah, it is. Like we packed our boots. Oh, damn. This is a sight I don't think I've ever seen before. It's actually crazy, I haven't seen anything like this before.
No, the rows of the trees and just how tightly they're packed.
It's like everything is so even, like they're like exactly a couple meters apart from each other and it's just perfect. Like just look at that,
They
straight
just go
up.
straight up.
Oh, this is unreal. We're gonna have some good slow-mo B-roll.
As you can see here behind us, guys, someone's done a bit of bushcrafting and put up a lean-to structure. Probably kept it out of the rain and the cold one night, and seems to be been here for a while. It is falling apart and wouldn't be too great to stay in now.
I don't know how I would like staying in this, you know, when the 0 degree nights when it comes winter. Can you imagine this pine forest, this mystical pine forest, snow dropping, and all you got to teepee? I don't know about that.
It's kind of like good bushcraft meets Blair Witch Project, so definitely conflicting.
That's what I was thinking. I was like, it's a bit creepy. There's a random teepee in the middle of the forest, but I'm also kind of impressed. I don't know what to feel. And that wraps it up for us at the Sugar Pine Walk, Sugar Pine Forest. It's truly incredible. Once again, I'm sort of left speechless.
A very unique place, never seen anything like this again. The rain and the mist really added to the effects, and this place is just outstanding.
This has been some of my favourite content I've had to shoot in terms of photographs and videos, and I'm really excited to put this all together and really excited for you guys to see this because it's unreal. It's just, everything's so perfect. Anyone who is a really organised person, they'll love this place.
Yeah,
All right.
It's so in tune.
Now we're off to go to the thermal pools because we are going for a swim.
That's next. Today at the Billy thermal pool just behind us here.
It's supposed to be 5 degrees or 6 degrees or something right now without chill factor. It is cold and yet we're still jumping in this water.
Apparently in the pool all year round it's 27 degrees. There's a couple of people here who stuck their hands in, but we are yet to feel the temperature.
We will be the judge of that. We are waiting for that until we touch the water ourselves. So here we go. Oh, we're
ready to go.
And now we're about to dive it.
Let's do it.
Oh, God. High pump.
It is very warm in there, very cold out here.
Oh,
thanks for watching.
So fresh. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next week. Woo!